Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to compare two CRM, that is Zoho CRM and Oracle CRM, and they both of are a CRM software. So let's get started. Zoho CRM and Oracle CRM are two popular customer relationship management, that is CRM, platform that offer a range of features to help businesses manage their customer interaction, sale processes, and marketing campaigns. In terms of pricing, Zoho CRM offer a range of plans to fit business of different size and needs, starting from a free plan for up to 3 users up to a professional plan that costs $30 per user per month. Oracle CRM, on the other hand, offer a more complex pricing model that varies based on the customer needs and the size of the organization. Both platforms offer similar features such as lead and contact management, sales forecasting, and workflow automation. However, Oracle CRM is known for its extensive customization option and advanced analytics capabilities, which can help businesses gain valuable insight into their customer data and make data-driven decisions. In terms of public review, both Zoho CRM and Oracle CRM receive positive feedbacks from users. Zoho CRM is praised for its ease of use, affordability, and strong customer support, while Oracle CRM is known for its comprehensive feature set, scalability, and robust reporting capabilities. Overall, Zoho CRM may be a better fit for small to mid-sized businesses that are looking for an affordable and full-feature CRM solution, while Oracle CRM may be a better fit for larger businesses that require a more comprehensive and scalable solution with extensive customization and reporting capabilities. However, Oracle CRM more complex pricing model and advanced feature may make it less accessible to smaller businesses, and its interface may require small technique expertise to use efficiently. So that's all for this video. I hope this video was a great help to you. If you find this video helpful, please do share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.